You might be knowing that everything around us is made up of atoms, and that atoms are made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. But is this the whole truth? The whole truth is that everything is made up of fundamental particles. Welcome to the world of Standard Model of particle physics. The Standard Model is a remarkably elegant encapsulation of the strange quantum world of indivisible infinitely small particles. It even covers the forces that govern how particles move, interact, and bind together to give shape to the world around us. So let's have a look on the Standard Model. The Standard Model is divided into two main groups, the fermions and the bosons. Let's talk about the fermions first. The fermions are further divided into three generations, each generation more massive than the one before. In any case, ordinary matter is composed only of first generation particles, as the heavier particles decay quickly into the lighter ones. Fermions are also divided as quarks and leptons. There are 6 flavors of quarks: up and down, strange and charm, bottom and top. Quarks interact with each other through the strong nuclear force. An interesting thing about quarks is that they have fractional charges, but when they combine, they always form a particle with integer charge, and they always combine. That's the reason why we don't see fractional charges. Just like the quarks, there are 6 leptons: electron, muon, and tau, and each one of them has a companion neutrino. Electrons do their job in the atom, whereas all other leptons like to chill out and move at high speeds in the universe as cosmic rays. So these are fermions. Now let's talk about bosons. Bosons are awesome because they make fermions do stuff. The Higgs boson gives them mass, and the other 4 are responsible for carrying forces between the fermions. The gluon carries the strong nuclear force between quarks, which keeps them bound to each other. The photon carries the electromagnetic force between charged particles, which allows them to either attract or repel. And the last two, the W and the Z, carry the weak nuclear force. The weak nuclear force interact with all fermions and plays a vital role in particle decay. So this brings us to the wrap.
Wait a minute!
You would have thought that the 4 force-carrying particles would correspond to the 4 fundamental forces, but that's not the case here. Gravity is left out, and this leads us to the most difficult question of modern-day physics. This experiment at the Large Hadron Collider is considering the Standard Model inside and out. Atlas physicists are looking for answers to mysteries not solved by the Standard Model. The Standard Model clarifies our surrounding, however, opens a whole new universe of questions to be answered.